Please subscribe, like, share my channel. Hello viewers, how are you? I think you're all fine, and I am very thankful to you because you all liked my videos and you encouraged me. With that encouragement, I'm trying to give you more videos, and just look at the board. I'm giving one more word: altar and altar. Altar and altar. Both are the same pronunciation. But what is the meaning of altar? A is different and E is different. Altar means a stage. A stage in the temple where we can perform all kinds of musical concerts and prayers and doing yogas and all these things. That is called a stage which is there erect in the temple. That is called altar. A stage in the temple to pray. For example, people offered their gifts on the altar. People offered their gifts on the altar to the temple. And the next one is alter. Alternative, alternate. That means change. That means change. So, for example, the students have to alter their strategy with the change in syllabus. For example, just look at the board again. The students have to alter their strategy, their behavior. They have to change their behavior because with the change in the syllabus, with the change, there is something change in the syllabus. With that, they have to act. So they have to change according to the syllabus. So that is that means alter. Alter means a change. The next word is alteration, altercation, and alternation. Identify these three words. Alteration, and the second one is altercation, and the third one is alternation. Observe it. And for example, what is meant by alteration? Everyone knows it, and explain. I previously explained alter, alternation. That means change and repair. And repair. That is called alterations. My house needs some alterations. Actually, in summer holidays, everyone is doing the same. All their houses need some repairs. So, their house need some alterations. Like that, my house needs some alterations. For next one is altercation. What is meant by altercation? Altercation. Altercation means quarreling. What is that? Quarreling and disagreement. Disagreement and quarreling. So, for example, there was an altercation between the manager and the clerk. There should be quarreling between the manager and the clerk. And there should be an altercation between the lawyer and the client. The lawyer and the client. There should be some altercations. Altercations means disagreement. And the next one is alternation. Alternation. One after the other. One after the other. Alternate things. One after the other. One by one. One after one. Like that. The alternation of seasons bring new things. Alternation of season brings new things. Summer, then winter, and the rainy, again the cyclic period, like that. One by one, one by one, one by one. Like that is what alteration. Right? And the first one is alteration. That means change. Altercation. That means disagreement. And alternation. That means one after the other. Third one is amateur, novice, and professional. What's that? Amateur, novice, and professional. What is the difference between these three, among these three? So observe it. What is an amateur? Amateur means is a very learning any skill or any game for his happiness or for his enthusiasm. He is doing all these things for his happiness and for his enthusiasm. Learning any skill or any game for his happiness and for his enthusiasm is called an amateur. And for example, the tournament is open to leading amateurs and as well as professionals. The tournament is invited amateurs and at the same time professionals also. Professional means highly skillful persons. And the next word is novice. What's that? Novice. New to his profession or any business. New to his profession. He entered newly into the profession or he entered newly into any business. So such type of person is called novice. And for example here, he was a novice earlier but became a real professional these days. So once upon a time he entered into business as a novice, as an innocent person. Now he became a highly talented person. So that is called as novice. And the next third one is professional. What is that? Professional and highly skillful and talented persons. Highly skillful and talented persons. For example, in America, there are many professional tennis players. They are professional, they are highly skillful. They got awards and rewards and everything they got. And they got world, became famous tennis players who are there in America. And in India, there are so many cricketers are participating in IPL, Indian Premier League. In that Premier League, there are so many highly talented cricket professionals are participating into the IPL program. So here it is. These are the difference between amateur means who is in a happiness and novice who entered newly into business and professional means highly talented person. The next one is the fourth one, already and already. Already. Like that we can pronounce it already. Already means fully prepared. Are you already? We are asking naturally, are you already? Like that. We will be all ready by the time you call us. We will be all ready by the time you call us. Definitely will fully prepared when the time comes. By the time you call me or you call us. The next one is already. Already means it denotes some time. And by this time or by that time. It happens sometime we are using in present perfect tense already. And the girl had already got married. By the time he proposed to her. The work has already done here. What is that work? She got married. Already got married by the time. Then the boy proposed. The boy proposed to her. The next word is altogether. Just observe. Altogether. Altogether means all persons are in the same place. All persons meet in the same place, at the same place. So that is called all together. They came all together to see their parents in holidays. That means in the summer holidays or in Sankranti holidays, all persons, our brothers and sisters, and we are going to meet at our parents' or our grandpa's house all together. That means all persons. So all together means all persons are in the same place. Next one is altogether. Altogether. That means complete or totally or fully. These questions are altogether out of syllabus. That means completely out of syllabus. Altogether, here altogether means completely. Here altogether means fully out of syllabus. Thank you.